Good Friday morning, everyone. Happy birthday, America. It is the 4th of July. I love it when my worlds collide. Trail cam fans, beaver fans, welcome to Things That Don't Belong on the Racetrack, Volume 6. Speaking of things that don't belong on the racetrack, it's her property. Yeah, I don't know if this counts, but I'm counting it. Maybe I'll label this a very special episode, and we'll move on to Volume 6. Look at these beaver chips. So yeah, beavers are at work over here, apparently. I believe they are draining the pond this year. They may be in the process, so I don't know what that's going to mean for us. But the beavers are out here working. Couldn't mow the track. I could have, but I was waiting for them to clear this, and they did. So here we are. I hope if you're celebrating the 4th of July, you're celebrating the American spirit. The real American spirit. Hope you have family and friends having big barbecues, enjoying this beautiful weather. God bless America. God bless beavers. Fuck that guy cutting down trees.